Hey guys, on today's video we're downloading some free games right here on your Xbox using Xbox Live membership. Anyways, let's just go right into your store. And from here we're gonna look for subscriptions. Then we're gonna go into your Xbox Live Gold membership and do that. So down here we're gonna see subscriptions. That's one of the ways. So many ways to get around this, but anyways, let's just go right into it. And from here just go down until you see Xbox Live Gold. And here are the games. So I'm just gonna go into Xbox Live Gold, see all four. There's supposed to be three, I'm surprised it says four. Anyways, from here we're just gonna go downwards and we're gonna see these games. Again, we're gonna see all three, which makes sense. It was kind of weird that he told me 4 games at the start. And anyways, these are the free games we can download for now. They're not demos, they're not trials, they're full games. And right now, for example, this one tells me that I have 25 days left in order to download it. Does that mean I can play it after those 25 days? Yes, you guys can play it next year and next 2 years. The thing is, you do have to download it during these 25 days. And what we're gonna see is a next new batch of free games. Anyways, let's move on to this one. This one only has 9 days. So from the date that this video was published, we only have 9 days in order to download this one for free. And let's move on to the last one, which also has only 9 days left. So once again, we only have a couple days to download these games. So let's start out with this game, Little Nightmares. How do we know it's free? Well, it has to say free right here, okay? So we're just gonna click on it and download it right away. So you should slash off the price, it should say free. Do not click on buy, you do not need to buy this because it's free with your membership. So right now, got it, yeah, everything looks good. And what we can do is just go back in order to keep downloading the other games. So we're gonna go into the second one. So here's my second one, and I'm just gonna click on it. Remember, only 9 days left for this one. We're gonna do the exact same thing. And no, you don't need to fully download it. If you guys want to delete it, you have no more space, just start the download and then cancel it. You guys can download it later on or even delete them. So I have a ton of games which I deleted, and I can just re-download them later since I already have them in my library and they're mine. So such as this one, let's just go into free. Now before with Xbox 360 games that are compatible with Xbox One, glitches used to happen. However, now everything seems to be working fine. Right now it says success, good, got it. So I'm just gonna go into my downloads to see what's going on, how big each one is. So this one's 11.19 gigs. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna pause this just to show you how big each one is. I'm gonna pause this installation. I'm gonna go right into the next one. And I want to, there we go. So this one's only 337 megabytes. It's going quite fast. We're just gonna pause it anyways. And our last one, which is the King of Fighters. And this one's only 2.76 gigs. Again, going quite fast. Anyways, right now they're all downloading. You guys can see the size of each one. Now remember, I'm publishing this video on January the 6th, 2021. So that means if you guys are watching this right now, download these games fast before you can't anymore. And we will get a fresh new batch of free games after 9 days for these 2 games. And then for Little Nightmares, after 25 days, we're gonna see a new one as well. But anyways, that would be it for this video. That's how you guys can download these games for free. Again, they're not trials, they're not demos, they're complete games. You can delete them later on, and in fact, re-download them, and they will be at no cost as long as you guys have Xbox Live Gold membership. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate.